In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your background on Viber. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to change your background on Viber, this is actually a super simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Viber app. Once you open up Viber, what you need to do from here is go to the three lines in the bottom right hand corner. Once you click on that, as you can see, you will be brought to this page here. And from here, what you need to do is go to settings. Once you click on settings, as you can see, you have a couple of options. And the one we need in today's video is appearance. And once you click on appearance, as you can see, there is an option there for change default background. If you click on that, you will get a lot of options to change your background. And you can choose any of these which you wish. And you can also choose a photo from your camera roll on your mobile. So that's how you can go ahead and change your background on Viber.